she's the cracker joke.
You sleepy?
You think?
Not silly.
Sure don't.
You
She's
ready?
chilly.
Yeah.
Go get a rope.
You're like me then, huh?
Cause it's hot.
Cake?
It must be.
Do you have any of those choco tacos?
No.
Oh.
Those are my chocolate tacos.
They're not there no more.
I think you could. I don't need.
Check that out.
She ate a whole bunch up there.
She doesn't make them. She don't make the. When me and Uncle Brian like them, she doesn't make them
Like what?
extra vanilla or anise or whatever it is.
She had all kinds of different ones up there. She made white chocolate ones.
What?
Me
Go get a
doing.
present.
Anybody eat the beef last night?
Oh, God. That's her normal roast.
Just
That's
sit
why
over there by the tree.
I will eat that.
I didn't look like roast.
I put one of them in the marshmallows.
You got a bag.
Well, it's in that label. I don't know which one's which. Whoa. What is it?
A puppy person frenzy.
So we could have recorded the whole thing, man.
We are recording the whole thing.
Is that the
Alright, let me see the basket. I don't know
What?
what this is.
Is it on
No, it's Space in the Sound.
Pick one.
Make sure you read the names.
There are no names. It's Mommy and Daddy. Here, this basket, this one right in front of
It's a Swabble game.
Whoa.
Oh, the pop-up game for trolls.
you. Here, let me see.
Maybe we could play that later, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, don't do that. Keep it away.
I can't believe it's Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
We should have Christmas parties.
Need help?
You sit up here so you can see.
So,
Huh?
stop putting tape on this.
If we
Oh,
don't
we
put tape,
see.
What's the matter, Roll? Alright? Maybe she would have
Whoa.
to huh? Not a barking bag, huh?
what is it? Take the paper off.
I thought the paper was part of it.
It's a Go Smurfins new Magical Singing Unicorn.
It goes with your other unicorn. Face it. Show the camera. Spread the paper towards mommy. Or towards daddy.
Are you hot here? Is that healing?
I'm very hot.
Is that window crack?
See?
But if I'm not the only one,
There's smoke.
Yeah, I think you're right.
if I'm the only one sweating,
No,
You just get your tired.
no, good man.
She need a drink of water.
what is it?
Jeez.
Do you need help?
Almost got it.
Ugh.
Good job.
I was in it for the looking
Through
glass.
the looking glass? What are you looking? Get it? Never mind.
Throw your paper over to daddy, honey. When you take it out.
Good job.
Slam dunk.
Oh my gosh.
Slam dunk, huh?
Just push it all over. Just push it. Yeah. That way the camera can see you in your cup.
Oh, beautiful.
Right here. Whoa.
Whoa. Do you need a drink of water? That one's
Oh, hi, Lil. Oh, Lily.
Oh, there you go.
Big gulp, huh?
That better? Better?
You are what?
That's pretty. Oh, jeez.
What's that?
What's that
Yes,
one?
I was in Wonderland.
Oh, you have both.
Both of them.
He knows how to get the classic one.
You have the classy one. I bet you have one.
Okay.
You get so much attention. Okay.
Rip it open all the way.
So excited.
Yay! You have to pull it out at the end. Just rip it.
Get it, Jess. Get it.
Oh, what is it? Holy
Well,
cow.
Poppy Styles thinks that.
Wow.
What do you do with it?
You can.
Can you do Poppy's hair?
Maybe it'll do Daddy's hair with that stuff in it, huh?
I don't know.
Right here, baby. Yeah.
Almost.
Got it.
Good job, baby.
Oh, what are you wishing it is?
Yes!
What is it?
A Hocus Pocus DVD.
Hocus Pocus. I think that's supposed to be mine.
I got it for Christmas.
Face Pappy.
You gotta share?
Yeah.
What do you want that? What is that one?
What do you want it to be?
Yes!
What is it? Oh, see, when you know what it is, you get it open pretty quick, huh?
What's that?
Bunny Dory!
Yay!
Look at that. You got a lot. You got movies for days.
Geez, we went through a month.
It's a Lionel Musical Bangalore clock.
We got Trolls alarm clock. Show the camera. Yay! That's good, man.
Gives me back. I'll give you another bag if you give me that bag.
What are those?
Tsum Tsums.
Zoom Zooms.
because he's new.
He's new. Who's new?
Dale.
Why don't you open
Dale.
this one? Here, you can keep your Simpsons. Why don't you open that one?
What is that? Oh my goodness.
You pull.
What is it? It's a dagger bracelet.
It's a carrying case for all your Simpsons.
Is it a big Zoom Zoom?
It's a special figure.
There's a special figure
Which
in
one
there.
is he?
He's like an orange Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
He's an orange Mickey Mouse.
I don't know.
And there's Figaro, and then there's the White Rabbit. Then there's the mystery character. Then there's Marnie, and then there's Winnie the Pooh. And there's also, because he's new, then there's Mickey, and then there's Perry.
Wow,
We can't
that's
open
pretty
it
good.
right now.
It includes a electronic.
Yeah, we can't open it right now because you got more. These are all from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, what is that?
Pull them out.
Boy.
Oh man.
Why is he out of his pocket?
It's
Because he
who?
must have had a party last night.
I'm Max, and I'm the luckiest dog in New York.
Should camera.
Well, I know what he's gonna be
Easy,
doing.
doggy, easy.
All that sense. Oh!
Looks like Matt's gonna be taking it up the poop.
Relax.
That's what I'm talking about. I don't care.
All that sense.
Boy,
Let me see this.
tagging Eddie. Ooh,
Just show him. This is from Mommy and Daddy too.
if he's ever too quiet, you know what he's doing.
What is it?
Why is there more wrapping paper?
We're tagging Eddie.
What is that?
You
What is that?
food.
That poor dog.
What is this?
Is a the kitten I wanted for my Christmas
From your Christmas list, huh?
It's what?
is a kitchen set.
It's a kitchen set.
Whoa.
Wow.
What is that?
It looks so cool.
What is it?
Is it the
Stand
kitchen
up.
set?
Go there.
Perfect. Perfect type. Just want to crouch down.
Oh.
We
it's
need your
spinning.
tablet first. But here, you got more presents.
Yeah.
Look at that kitchen. That's nice, huh?
So we'll keep all this stuff over here right now, okay?
Be over more than mommy.
You
now.
hot now?
Yeah.
I
What are you
figured.
doing now?
Wow, no, I'm not cold anymore.
No, wait.
Come on. Sarge, who's?
Whoa.
What? I just called you. You don't have to kiss me.
Sad.
I am lucky.
All right.
You're lucky.
All right, snort face. Okay,
Bless you.
there's your call.
Bless you.
From
There's your call. There's
Santa.
your call right here.
From the North Pole.
What is it?
Who's it from?
Santa.
Santa
Santa.
Claus. He must have thought you were good this year, huh?
Oh, jeez.
What is it? What is it?
You're such a
I
baby.
know what it is.
I don't know. What is it?
It is Hey.
What did he get you?
What?
What's that tag?
No. Me.
The elves made that?
What movie is it?
It's Descendants.
She said Descendants.
I know, but she was so excited I couldn't understand.
Descendants.
Awesome sauce.
No one.
Another one from Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Jeez.
What is it?
This is Scrabble game.
Whoa.
What do you got on your list?
Scrabble. Wow. Grandma's favorite.
Big clues. Elf made.
It's elf-made too. Yeah, I think all the elves make Santa stories, don't they?
Good. Nice.
What is it?
What is it?
Well, actually, Olivia had one of these DVDs.
Yeah, but it's hers.
Nope. It's Elf Made.
It's Elf,
Elf made. That mouse were busy.
Oh, God knows what you're talking about. With Elf Made.
There. I should remember.
A Wild Crafts a Creaser Christmas.
Who?
It's a Wild Crafts a Creaser Christmas for PBS Kids. And it's
TBS
Elf
Elf made.
Cool beans.
Made. They like watch them sometimes.
Maybe. Well, they're yours, so.
Yeah, they're all yours. You can watch whenever you want.
I think we should open this last.
Okay.
Why? Which one? That one.
What'd Santa Claus get you?
Oh, what?
Show the camera, honey.
Oh, I'm jealous.
Pets.
I asked Santa Claus for that too.
Well, we can share.
Nah, we'll share.
Aww.
We'll share.
What a sweet
I had to share.
For right now, I need to blow my nose.
Blow. Don't work, blow. Woo. It's like a little bit.
Look at my stomach hurting me. Why am I so high?
Because you gotta poop. It's true.
What was that little click click?
If I didn't call you, don't come over.
Is that from Channel 2?
What? I see what it is.
I see what it is.
Oh.
It's the
Finding Dory crab game. Is that what it says?
no cell collecting game.
The who?
It's a cell collecting game, you silly daddy.
You silly daddy.
We gotta catch crab.
No, you can get cells.
Oh.
Chef Happy.
Ta-da!
Cool.
Ta-da!
Awesome song.
Seashells by the seashore.
The last one. Whoa.
Whoa.
Seashells on the back here.
What is that?
And they just,
It looks like a bad Santa rap drop.
wow.
We gotta contact the elves.
Let's see what it is.
Yes.
Why don't you open it and find out?
Maybe we took it.
wasn't a mess up, it was a Yeti.
Man, I gotta tell the elves.
You gotta tell the elves.
Yeti and my spaghetti.
Daddy and my
Spaghetti and my spaghetti.
I saw a commercial and wanted to
Oh,
Christmas list.
boy, show Pappy. I don't think he knows what that is.
Cool.
There's a Yeti in your bowl, and you've got to take the Yeti out the bowl. If he balls, you lose. If he doesn't fall, you win.
Cool.
So what do you have to do? Pull spaghetti out?
Yeah.
Oh, the Yeti, get it? I think there's one more there from Santa Claus. Must have been an extra special one.
Larry doesn't
No.
you are.
Whoa. It's about time.
Huh?
Just repeating what she said.
I know what you said.
Something about it's about time.
Oh, it's about time.
It's a box.
This is about
What's it say?
Go in the kitchen and close your eyes to see what this goes to.
Okay, go ahead. Go in the kitchen.
She's closing her eyes before she even gets there.
Sorry.
He's gonna make room.
Stay in there. Stay in the kitchen.